Total Preparation Jankipuram Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program.
Friends, in this video, we would be introducing 100 one-liners that would help you in getting better hold over general awareness. Let's quickly begin. Under whose chairmanship the central government has constituted a committee to restore normalcy after the end of the lockdown? The answer is P.K. Mishra. The US has extended the nuclear sanctions imposed on which country for the next 60 days from March 30th? The answer is Iran. The famous folk singer of which state, Paravai Muniyamma, passed away on 28th of March 2020? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Which state celebrated its foundation day on 30th of March? The answer is Rajasthan. This day was established on 30th March 1949. How much money should be spent for 5 years under the National Mission on Quantum Technology and Applications as announced by the Finance Ministry in the Union Budget 2020-21? The answer is 8,000 crores. Which country joined NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, as the 30th member? The answer is Northern Macedonia. Which country's famous comedy actor Kin Shimura died due to coronavirus on 29th March 2020? The answer is Japan. What is the percentage reduction in the interest rate for Sukanya Samriddhi account scheme from 8.4%? The answer is 7.6%. When is the International Transgender Day of Visibility celebrated? The answer is 31st of March. What is the new limit for foreign portfolio investors' investment in corporate bonds according to RBI notification? The answer is 15%. How much compensation has been announced by Delhi government for the death of a doctor or any employee while treating a corona patient? The answer is 1 crore rupees. The Wimbledon competition 2020 was postponed for the first time after World War II. When will it be held in 2021 next year? The answer is 28th June to 11th July 2021. Which mission was announced by US Space Agency NASA on March 30th, 2020? The answer is Sunrise, Sun Radio Interferometer Space Experiment. When is the Foundation Day of Reserve Bank of India celebrated? The answer is 1st April. It was founded on 1st April 1935. Which country has banned the use of the word coronavirus and wearing masks? The answer is Turkmenistan. Which campaign was carried out by the Indian Air Force to deliver 6.2 tons of medical supplies to the Maldives in the midst of lockdown in India? The answer is Operation Sanjeevani. How much emergency help to India has been approved by the World Bank in the fight against coronavirus? The answer is $1 billion. That is about 7,600 crores. When is the World Autism Awareness Day celebrated? The answer is 2nd of April. The United Nations postponed the proposed climate change conference COP26 to which year in Glasgow, Scotland due to COVID-19? The answer is 2021. In which subject was a Nobel Prize awarded to Mr. Philip Warren Anderson, who passed away on 29th March 2020 due to coronavirus? The answer is physics. Which country's government has nationalized private hospitals due to coronavirus? The answer is Spain. Which country's terrorist incident was investigated as the first foreign case filed by the National Investigation Agency? The answer is Afghanistan. Which official app has been launched by the central government to track the movement of COVID-19 patients? The answer is Arogya Setu. Which union territory has abolished the allowances and privileges of its former chief ministers? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which country participated with USA in the native ferry exercise? The answer is UAE. When has it been decided to organize the World Athletics Championship 2021 that was postponed due to the coronavirus epidemic? The answer is 2022. The Cabinet passed the ordinance to amend which act to cut the salary of MPs by 30% on 6th April 2020. The answer is Salary Allowances and Pensions Act 1954. Which state government has recently launched Mo Pratibha program for children in association with UNICEF? The answer is Odisha. For how long has the Union Cabinet decided to suspend the Local Area Development Fund received under the MP Fund? The decision was taken on 6th of April 2020. The answer is 2 years. For which space mission in Russia, the training of Indian astronauts has been stopped due to coronavirus? The answer is Gaganyaan. US President Donald Trump appealed to the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to lift the ban on export of which drug? The answer is hydroxychloroquine. Which rule of cricket was Tony Lewis, who died on April 1st, 2020, known for? The answer is Duckworth-Lewis rule. Which country did Bill Vidar, 3-time Grammy Award winner, who died on March 30th, belong to? The answer is United States of America. How much percentage of jobs will be lost in India in view of the deteriorating economy due to nationwide lockdown, as per the prediction in the survey of Confederation of Indian Industry (CII)? The answer is 52%. Which country's zoo found a female tiger infected with the coronavirus? The answer is America, and the name of the zoo is Bronx Zoo. So friends, we hope that you all are liking the questions. Those are included this time. Please like and share our video as much as possible. Subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for getting the latest notifications. Let's move on to the next section now. How many days has the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, extended the period of premium deposits of the insured due to the lockdown? The answer is 30 days. When was the first International Day of Conscience celebrated by the United Nations? The answer is 5th of April. Geeta Ramji, a South African citizen of Indian origin, died in South Africa on 31st March 2020 due to coronavirus. Which profession was she associated with? The answer is virologist. When is the National Maritime Day celebrated? The answer is 5th of April. When is the International Day of Sport for Development and Peace celebrated? The answer is 6th. How much has the football players' age limit been raised for the Tokyo Olympics due to COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is 24 years. Who has been chosen as the mascot of the 19th Asian Games to be held in Guangzhou City, China in the year 2022? The answer is Kong Kong, Lian Lian and Chen Chen, also known as smart triplets. Which country's former Prime Minister Mahmoud Jibril died due to coronavirus? The answer is Libya. Which country's Prime Minister has imposed emergency in many areas of his country to curb COVID-19? The answer is Japan. Prime Minister is Shinzo Abe. Which challenge was launched by the Ministry of Human Resource Development to face COVID-19 and future challenges? The answer is Samadhan Challenge. Which year has the World Health Organization dedicated to nurses and ANMS? The year 2020. When is the World Health Day celebrated? The answer is 7th of April. Which state or union territory has launched a 5T plan to deal with the coronavirus? The answer is Delhi. Due to doping, the International Weightlifting Federation has banned several weightlifters from which two countries to participate in the Tokyo Olympic 2021? The answer is Thailand and Malaysia. Who has been appointed the new chairperson of NASSCOM 2020-21? The answer is UB Praveen Rao. What is the name of the first manned camp established at the South Pole of the Moon by the year 2024 as announced by NASA? The answer is Artemis. The Supreme Court has recently cancelled the appointment of 1983 physical training instructors in which state schools? The answer is Haryana. Which state's 15 districts were sealed under the corona hotspot due to COVID-19 infection? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. How long has World Athletics suspended the time for Tokyo Olympic qualification due to coronavirus? The answer is 6th April to 30th of November 2020. For how long from April 11th, 2020 has the central government extended the tenure of the current members of the Bank Board Bureau? It gives suggestions on the selection of officers comprising the board of directors of government banks and financial institutions. The answer is 2 years. Which state has enacted the ESME, Essential Services Management Act, on 8th April in view of the lockdown? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Former ice hockey player Roger Chapeau of which country died on 8th April 2020 due to coronavirus? The answer is Switzerland. Which state has decided to run online classes for school children up to 12th till the school opens? The answer is Haryana. Recently, due to which worm, adverse effects have been reported on summer paddy crop in Dhemaji district of Assam state? The answer is army worm caterpillar. In which state is the Kondinia Wildlife Sanctuary, Elephant Sanctuary located, where a wild elephant was recently rescued? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which ministry has announced the launch of the revised version of Swachhata Mohua app? The answer is Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Which ministry has launched a week-long Bharat Padhe online campaign aimed at getting people's views on improving the online education system of India on April 10, 2020? The answer is Union Ministry of Human Resource Development. By what name has CDAC developed a tool to track the movement of persons infected with COVID-19 and people in the country? The answer is NARI, National Analytical Platform for Dealing with Intelligent Tracing, Tracking and Containment. Which state celebrates the Meru Jatra festival, celebrated in temples on the occasion of Mahavishub Sankranti? The answer is Odisha. Recently, a 15-year-old boy from which tribe of Brazil died from COVID-19? The answer is Yanomami tribe. Which web portal was launched recently by the Union Ministry of Human Resource Development to counter COVID-19 with knowledge, technology and innovation? The answer is Yukti. Yukti stands for Young India Combating COVID-19 with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation. In which state is the Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary located, where a male tiger was recently found dead? The answer is Kerala. Which software was recently jointly launched by Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog and National Informatics Center? The answer is ColabCAD. Rongali Bihu or Hat Bihu is the traditional dance of which state? The answer is Assam. On April 14, 2020, IMF, International Monetary Fund, has estimated India's economic growth rate for financial year 2020-21 due to COVID-19 global pandemic. What is the percentage estimation? The answer is 1.9%. What is the percentage estimation made by Goldman Sachs with regards to India's economic growth rate for the financial year 2020-21? The answer is 1.6%. What is the percentage estimation made by the World Bank on India's economic growth rate for the financial year 2020-21? The answer is between 1.5% and 2.8%. World Chagas Disease Day was celebrated for the first time on 14th April 2020 by the World Health Organization. Which insect bites cause this disease? Triatomini. The ICMR has approved the institute in which state to treat a coronavirus patient with blood plasma therapy? The answer is Kerala. According to a recent report by the International Labour Organization, in which country can 400 million people working in the informal sector get trapped in poverty due to coronavirus? The answer is India. Friends, if you're liking the questions, please like and share our video as much as possible. Subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for getting the latest notifications. For whom has the Supreme Court changed its order to make COVID-19 tests in private laboratory free? The answer is for Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Yojana and EWS category, PMJAY scheme and EWS category. Which country headed the signing of an agreement to cut oil production in order to end the crude oil price war between OPEC and other oil producing countries? The answer is Russia. Which country's central bank bought 1.75 crore shares of SGFC Limited? The answer is China. The central government has decided to remove excise duty and cess on ventilators, masks and PPE for how long? The answer is 30th of September, till 30th of September. Which is the first state in the country with more than 100 deaths due to coronavirus? The answer is When is the International Day of Human Space Flight celebrated? The answer is 12th of April. When is the World Homeopathy Day celebrated? The answer is 10th of April. Who is the father of homeopathy? The answer is Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Which former RBI governor has been included in the external advisory group of IMF chief Kristalina Georgieva? The answer is Raghuram Rajan. Who has been nominated a candidate for the US presidential elections from the Democratic Party against Donald Trump? The answer is Joe Biden. Which union territory launched Operation Shield to combat coronavirus? The answer is Delhi. Which country diverted the consignment of medical kits and masks towards itself that was headed to India, France and Germany from China? The answer is United States of America. Which anniversary of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre was on 13th April 2020? The answer is 101st. Which missiles have been approved by the US for sale to India? The answer is Torpedo Lightweight and Harpoon Air Launch. The Supreme Court has ordered the release of foreign nationals who have spent how much time in detention centers? 2 years. RBI Mahabaleshwar has approved the appointment of MD and CEO of which bank? The answer is Karnataka Bank. Rifat Chaudhry, the father of modern architecture of which country, died recently due to COVID-19? The answer is Iraq. When is National Safe Motherhood Day celebrated? The answer is April 11th. Which is the first country in the world to declare socially National Safe Motherhood Day? The answer is India. When is Siachen Day celebrated in the memory of Operation Meghdoot? The answer is April 13th. How much has the Asian Development Bank increased the coronavirus response package for developing countries? The answer is $20 billion. Which forest of Brazil has been reported for coronavirus recently? The answer is Amazon forest. For how long has the central government extended the visa of foreign travelers stranded in India for free? The answer is 30th of April. Which new channel has been launched by public broadcaster Prasar Bharati? The answer is DD Retro. When is CRPF Shaurya Divas celebrated? The answer is 9th of April. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.